How to flip your class. 4 simple steps. Format, interact, reflect, and extend. Step 2, interact. In this step, we will cover interaction using technology, interaction with no technology, and analytics and accountability. Part 1, interactions using technology. There are different ways you can use technology when interacting with your videos. Edpuzzle and Google Slides are some ways to do it. Using Edpuzzle to interact. Edpuzzle allows you to trim the video, add voiceovers and questions, and it integrates with other platforms. It easily integrates with Google Classroom, and you can push it out to your students. If you use other LMSs like Canvas, Schoology, Moodle, or Blackboard, you can easily send the video to them also. Using Google Slides to interact. Google Slides allows you to put segments of the video in. You can have the video start and stop at certain times. So you can make it so that each slide only shows a small portion of the video. Part 2, interactions without technology. Different ways that students can interact without technology would be to fill in a worksheet or a graphic organizer, or take some notes. Part 3, analytics and accountability. Analytics and accountability using Edpuzzle. With Edpuzzle, it'll show you which students watched the video, what percent they got on those questions. It'll also give you the individualized how the overall class did on the questions. And for each student, you can see not only how they did on the questions, but how many times they watched each video segment. Analytics and accountability using Google Slides. In Google Slides, you can easily send it out through Google Classroom, and then you can use that to grade how they did and how they interacted with that video. How to flip your class. Step 2, decide how students will interact. Click the link in the description for more information and a help sheet to get you started. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.